Hi everyone, welcome back to Save and Serve with Steph. I just wanted to show you here another appliance that we use on a fairly regular basis. This here is a meat slicer. So basically what comes in the box is a whole meat slicer assembly and a tray for the meat to fall into when you slice it. We have the, finger guard. That's what I call it. So you don't slice your fingers off. And basically, that's the motion it does. Here is the thickness adjuster. So depending on how thick you want it, that's basically as thick as it goes, about 1 finger width. I'd say that's about an inch. So we use this for slicing our own lunch meats. We have found that it works really great. You can use a good old-fashioned kitchen knife. We just like using the appliance version of a meat slicer to give you more consistent cuts. But yeah, just wanted to show you another appliance that we use and have around our kitchen. Stay tuned for videos of me using this to slice up some meats. We'll see you guys in the next one.